Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're actually going to be removing the GU5 light and frame. We're getting rid of the frames because we want to respray them, make them look nice and good because we accidentally got paint on them. So I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is turn off the light. Make sure that it's cool. Don't touch a hot light. And first I'm just going to get rid of the bulb. That one is super simple. That one you just see these little nibs around here. You just twist it and it drops out. And then there is just this, you unplug it and boom, you have your light out, and it's also has its fixture. So to get it out of the fixture, you just pull it and it comes out with the spring. So now you got the inner frame. To get the outer frame, it is more difficult, but I'll show you how to do it. And this requires seeing how it works, the operation. So the way that it locks into the ceiling is that it's hanging like this. But it's not like the newer lights where it just hangs on these springs. It's actually holding on with these hooks, and these hooks push into the plasterboard. So if you try to pull it down, it's not going to move because this hooks into the plasterboard. So there's plasterboard here and plasterboard here. So you can't pull it down, and you can't hook this backwards because it will try to break the plasterboard that's here. So if you try to unhook it and take this out, you're going to really struggle because there's plasterboard here locking it in. So the way you remove it is you look at how it's made here, and there's an opening. So you gotta unhook the springs. Unhook the springs. It's very fiddly, especially when you're doing it inside there, but let's see if we can do it. So first stick my finger in there, and I can feel some springs over here. And if you look, see these springs here? See those silver bits of springs? We're gonna be moving one side to the right and the other side to the left. It will pop off. So I'll do that with my fingers. See, I've unhooked one, and the left one should just follow. There you go, it's out. So this side's out, and I'll even take it out just to show you. You got it out just here. So we're gonna do the exact same thing with the other side. So I'll take one side at a time, because if you try doing both at the same time, they'll just hit each other. So once one is out, you can just slide the other one out of the way. Ooh. It's almost out completely. Let me just finish it 100%. Actually, it just slides out like that. So as you can see, I unhooked one side, and that gave it enough leverage to pull it all out. Officially, you should really slide it off and then pull it out. Popped off, didn't make any damage to the plasterboard. So I wish I knew that technique, because previously to get rid of those guys, I literally just pulled it out and did some plasterboard repair, which probably was easy as well. You just need to wait a couple of hours. But this, as you saw, can be done very quickly. And can I just say something? It's the only video on YouTube that actually shows you how to do it. All the other videos you watch just show you how to take off the bulb. So I'd like a like and subscribe. Let me know if you found this video useful, and I hope you guys enjoyed the show.